Hello and welcome to this Encore HR tutorial. In this video, we are going to explain how you can request information from your candidates. During the application process, you will certainly need to ask candidates for some information, such as personal data, their LinkedIn profile, academic background, and so on. Useful to start screening the applicants according to the job requirements. In Encore HR, you can use custom datasets to create different forms that the candidates will need to fill in. You can create as many datasets as necessary to collect any kind of data. To create a custom dataset, go to Node Setup and then click here to add a new dataset. You will need to give a name to your dataset and then fill in the necessary fields. You can select the type of field from this drop-down list, which determines in which format the candidates will provide their information. To make a field mandatory, just tick this box. Now that you have created your dataset, you can select it during the second step of the position creation, and the candidates will see this dataset during the second step of their application. All information that you will collect will be available in the candidate's profile. You can also set up fixed datasets that will appear in all new positions and will be colored in red. To do so, go to Node Setup and then Advanced Setup. Here you will see the Fixed Datasets tab. Simply drag the datasets that you wish to select from the left column to the right column. And this is how you can use datasets to collect candidates' information.